Looking for the best handheld oscilloscope in 2026? Whether you're an electronics engineer, automotive technician, DIY enthusiast, or repair professional, choosing the right portable oscilloscope can make troubleshooting faster and more accurate. Today, we're counting down the top 5 handheld oscilloscopes of 2026 based on performance, features, portability, and overall value. Let's get started. Starting our list at number 5 is the ZEEWEII DSO-1C81. This compact handheld oscilloscope combines portability with dependable performance, making it a great option for hobbyists and technicians who need quick diagnostics on the go. Its 100 MHz bandwidth provides reliable waveform analysis for a wide range of electronic circuits, while the built-in signal generator adds extra flexibility for testing and troubleshooting. The bright 2.8-inch color display delivers clear waveform visualization, and its lightweight design makes it easy to carry between projects. If you're looking for an affordable handheld oscilloscope with practical everyday features, the DSO-1C81 is a solid choice. At number 4 is the versatile 3-in-1 handheld oscilloscope. This multifunction device combines a dual-channel oscilloscope, digital multimeter, and signal generator into one compact unit. Featuring a 120 MHz bandwidth and a 250 megasamples per second sampling rate, it delivers accurate signal measurements while reducing the need to carry multiple tools. Whether you're troubleshooting automotive electronics, industrial equipment, or consumer devices, this all-in-one solution helps simplify your workflow. For users who value versatility and convenience, this model offers impressive functionality in a portable package. Taking the number 3 spot is the ZEEWEII DSO-2512G. Designed for users who need more advanced diagnostic capabilities, this model features dual-channel operation, a 120 MHz bandwidth, and an integrated signal generator. One standout feature is its built-in XYmode, making it especially useful for phase analysis and advanced waveform comparisons. The intuitive interface and responsive controls allow for efficient operation during both laboratory testing and field repairs. With its combination of professional features and portable design, the DSO-2512G delivers excellent value for serious electronics enthusiasts and technicians. Our runner-up is the Tooltop 120MW Professional Handheld Oscilloscope. Built for demanding repair environments, this model delivers a powerful combination of speed, accuracy, and portability. Its 120 MHz bandwidth and fast 500 megasamples per second sampling rate captures signal details with excellent precision, making it ideal for automotive diagnostics, industrial maintenance, and advanced electronics repair. With professional-grade measurement performance and a rugged, portable design, the ET120M is an outstanding choice for users who need dependable results every day. And taking the number 1 position is the DS-Scope DS Touch Handheld Oscilloscope. Designed for professionals who demand top-tier performance, this impressive device features a large 4.3-inch touchscreen that delivers an intuitive and responsive user experience. Powered by advanced FPGA and DRAM architecture, it offers exceptional processing speed and reliable waveform analysis. The premium DS41012 version supports up to a 200 MHz bandwidth and an impressive 1 gigasample per second sampling rate, providing outstanding accuracy for complex electronic diagnostics and high-speed signal measurements. Combining professional-grade performance, premium build quality, modern touchscreen controls, and exceptional portability, the DS-Scope DS Touch stands out as our top handheld oscilloscope of 2026. Those are our picks for the top 5 handheld oscilloscopes of 2026. If you found this review helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to Global Deal Explorer, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest product rankings, reviews, and tech deals. You'll find links to all 5 products in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.